Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the Wi-Fi section. Here you will set a Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here once on the switcher, and that's it. And now you can see here all the available networks, and you can connect to one from this network. For example, we'll go with the first one. Just here you should enter your password to this network. In my case that's from 1 to 8. Just to see the password you should click once here on this eye icon, just to have no some mistakes in the password, and after that click here on the right upper corner to connect. Now you can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way you can select just another network, enter the password and to connect to them, and after that you can switch between these two networks if you want. So if you want to just turn on the Wi-Fi you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel here on your device. Just on the left upper corner you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Click once on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi, and then just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, hold for a while this icon, and as can you see we have the same Wi-Fi settings here. By the same way, select the network, connect, and that's it. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi here, click once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.